Jason Tori kalau lom levek cho hei voin chu kanu te kan tlo do na weekend mangin voin hi Friday nia hei kan chhuak trip to a hong elal zo hi. Hello, good morning. You excited to go to Sullivan?
Yeah.
Ready. Hey, kan impact to a. Helal zo ani a chon kanu cho me min hon tir tur ve container rock kan kinga chon hela hen kap mar cha vel nia chon in heta hiang ka thom no nia chon hei hi kan ken sak do na kanu hei hi ka lei saka abun tok zok zo bun tok lo zo zo khi mi zo rama kan tan ka tia hei khok chon hei hi ka pa birthday present nia kan ti der lo na phei khok angin kan te phei khok bo ma kan da a birthday present a kan lei sak ve to chu to ve ro khopa ma se angai na ve box se khor pa khata ta hin chon to hi ka tia jersey tiang chu ngai na ve thau na ka lei ngam ngai lo kan pe don hi kan ti der do na chu wangin pek boy login hei phei khok bo ma kan da do na phei khok kan pe do na ngai don ni chu mo tun tuma kan vazin chan ber hi chu kapa birthday ni baka Father's Day kha kan miss to shim shim wangin vatloi la kan tia nidanga kan jin hi chuanin zingdar nga te mo la thim lai ang vel hang uncle thina ma se tun tum chu hei Jaguar dealer a hianin kan pa hena car hi servicing ti tiranga ya engine oil ten thaka chon an lo ti 5 vek boka kan valu tanga dar kan zange nga ngai po kan shabik chong lawa ma se ka hanin pe fel chu dar kar ni tal nga ngai ngan lo ti sia kan ngak char ma se waiting area hianin ti han coffee machine te la ma coffee bean ni khan du kha free ve khan ei thei bua chanin anmani ina hei car brand sang ai brand logo mang kha t-shirt te lukhum ten lo siama so helai car hi to khop me dollar noi khat le sing ni vel manania bon khop me Jaguar thonia kan han en vela lei phalo mai lamo hei hi chan ke samang lawa dum tak hi chan in electric char sangai ta chan hei an ei tur vel te ponia chan lel zawan mo ka ke indu tia hei tian an meta an chak te ber ni chu rim tui top ani chu chanin nim vel chin boka ari ma tu yem ti vel te helai hianin kar man chu hei lang chiang kel kol khop me a mu nom ve shim anal khop me chanin dar kan ni vel kan nga dong kan ti to ha kan nga vel chung khanin anni khan lo sila ti khan aling mi ron thon veka a thalo lai te ti vel te kan phone tang khan kalo en thei ve kan ni chu chanin voina kan hun man te kan ron ti langa chon in lo enjoy ve kan be se ya I kan cham rei don vak lawa ni vel ni thum vel che kan cham dona chon hei kan kar chu ron self fight to lia khop me pa ber zun in lama kala tuna hian na nai te in lam kan pan dona o kar lo in lo ni kan choi nem vak lo dollar za thum le ti vel kan choya engine oil ten thak veka ziadong khop me a chung pon lau ti fai ni nung lam pang pon ti fai heng chu thil kan ta wang ti fai kher lang suat po fai thot to khop me lai te po an lau su fai ve kan ni hei fai han to khop me kan chuak don chia hei let's get going to Nana and Papa and I'm excited to meet Willow kan we thar te kan bok do na phur to lo to kan kal zela ta hian thil pakhat mu lu chau kan ya hei lai banga an lo da hi noise reduction an tia ti khan hei abul nai vela in nei te po khanin benching kha an che thei don lawa kan tlan benching te tiang kha khami proof tur khan ya chon thil liam pui tiam phur hianin a ma le hnunga hian karin thei in te mo tu na am phurta in hi mi nan order ni ta ni chu ti khan ready sa vek to khan va hung top do na in mun ro ka khan in chuanin oversize ti kha motor a hnung le hma khan a tlan ve boka a shipping po kha to ve da hleka kan hmurem chang karon soi zoi ni chu hey darker ni le min somli panga lai kan drive nuwa kan veng zo te veng Sullivan kan thling ta in kan thling do ni chu phur to le mai re ki dak nuwa kar khat le kar khat vel nuwa ai kan vazin le a I mui har wang thin bok se hey kan thling don ta so kan nu karte papa karte here is Nana. Here, give me a hug, Mom. Or you.
It is so hot, too. How are you?
Not bad. It's a long drive.
I know.
Hey, Willow.
She's excited.
Hey, Willow. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. She never see me, so this is going crazy.
Hey.
Papa.
Scared the dog.
Look at this.
She's so cute.
Yeah, she's so excited. Oh. Okay. I'll let you rest. Look at her dress. So cute.
It's over my belly.
Rub the belly.
Baby, hold her.
Put your
Here.
bags down.
That's Tori. Yes, Willow.
Put your bags down.
Oh, hey, Nana, in street tacos sa Siam Dona. Here, look. Looks yummy, right? Ooh, I'm excited. Here's our chef. Hello. What are you making?
Street tacos, chicken.
Chicken, right?
Yep,
Looks
chicken,
yummy. Let me taste
cilantro.
it. What are you eating?
This is Nana's street tacos.
Yay. Looks
Put
good,
some
huh?
cheese in. Put the meat on top of the cheese so the meat melts the cheese.
Melt, don't
They're
melt.
hot, yeah. I could have.
Uh-oh.
Hey, Papa, na lo chua. How is the fish?
Big.
Where? Oh, look at that. They're so big. An van lian to Willow, come here. Min du vak lawa he wi han. Hey, Scarlett, tipo alaw no lalo to ka. Hey, Scarlett. In enro ka dar lang
I
ah.
put your taco shells over there, please. So you can
Thank you,
start.
Mom. Baby, look. Look at him. Look at her.
She likes the camera.
Yeah, say hello to people. Look at Mom.
Just an easy way to do dinner.
Hey, kay maitur. Tuido.
They're right there. And
Hey.
I don't feel that's good
Kay
quality.
sunang ah.
So I started making my own.
because for a long time it was super mega juicy.
Yeah. I mean, it's not just like this because I don't know what his recipe is.
No, yeah. It's, I mean,
Hey, that's the one try Veros, yeah? Nanay tacos. Try it. How it tastes. It's so good. Mine is spicy. It's so good. I try it. Oh, no, it's open.
What, babe? That's fine. Quee, there's rice.
Thank you, Mom. Hey, Willow dress. Oh, eat your dress, buddy. What the hell? Oh, look
They
at
got
your
everything there,
Mama
man. They got
Mini.
phone cases.
Look at your dress. Wow, this is cute. So sassy.
She'll have to grow into those.
Yeah.
And then these are preemies. I just cut them off.
Oh, yeah.
And
Oh,
she
look
can
at
wear 'em.
that.
Yeah, those are cool too. Giraffes?
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
And paws.
And it's her color too.
Yeah.
Enjoy.
But yeah, are you done
It's,
with?
yeah.
She
It's
loves 'em.
big. So, what are we doing now?
Getting ready to cook a brisket. A beef
Brisket, yeah. Beef brisket kan siam do na. Zan in zan kwa in ta hian kan urdon ni chu. All night we're gonna
Yep, all night long.
smoke it. kan nuin he an start vel do na karon tilang don niya. We'll show them before and after.
Yeah.
We he thingkung hi kalung leng tap kan zo te dam la ya lon na chin kha niya. Lian cha top, what did you put it?
Brisket. It's got salt, pepper, garlic.
Garlic te, chi te, chuan
Would you
pepper
close
te.
that door?
Ti hian zang khwa kan da do na. How many hours we gonna put in the grill?
12 hours. Well, no, more than that.
Yeah, around like 15 hours. 15 hours, right?
Yep.
Andang kan urchar charanga ron tui don to pin smoky to ka favorite one. Right? Right? Hey, ready to hot mate. Dikuan a full hook don lo itu when we put the plastic. Tui biang 15 hours well kan tui la hian kan da to ni 15 hours well. Dark cars mo pangalan. Wow. Looks did they look at that. All the yummy. Taste it, Mom. You taste already?
I did, yeah.
Visit.
Look at Uncle Dan. He's here. Hey, kanu huan po. Hello, chang lom to he pu di na pei chon sang tol to kan lak sak. Hey, ti hang kalavek do na min chutney ka siam do na. It's really tall. I never seen a tall mean. Lâu ấy ngay đâu à thì anh trăng rất to. Hay anh tầm gì à, hi mo lạc tur có hồn tur cái là đôn. Wow, look at this brisket. Willow. Lão nhỉ hi, scared of me.
No, she's just tired. She hasn't had her nap today.
Okay, now Papa will open his birthday present. Yeah, shoes.
Shoes.
Lady shoes.
Yeah, they ain't shoes like that.
Lady shoes. Boy, top eh.
Wow.
Lady shoes. Oh, look at that.
Gave him a Dodger jersey. Aw.
It's blank.
Wow.
Nice.
And hey, I didn't make a cup,
I
mate.
didn't get him anything since
Yeah, I need to button it up.
Yeah.
But my fingers are too big, too fat.
Maybe it's gonna be tight.
No,
you
no,
got another
no.
shirt on under there.
I got
Oh,
another
you have
shirt
another
on
shirt.
under,
Yeah.
so.
But Papa, sometimes you don't have to.
70?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Papa. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Carter!
70.
My teeth.
Yay!
donate
Ice cream cake.
to Eli. Eli, there you go. That's Dodger.
Papa,
And
the
how
old
many
one.
people that are here?
How much pieces of cake do you do?
I want the biggest piece.
Hey, thô chân riêng lâu ni lệ đẹp to kan ho to do na la ma to pa jing dar nga le ti nia wana pudina kha ka pa la do do na ko hon to kalang oh an lâu ei ngai reng lâu hey tui ton sur lo to an san zia himo sage lo tok en ro he oi ki lai pudina sang kalam hu to zong zon la sang ngi chan poi ka shon lak ngai lo wang e komen sa han lo soi ro ke kala chaw he bak lo chu ei chung rei ve ro mo ma ni te cho phei chan Hey kan khwa te po hi ngai om le don le me. Ve ve ro bisaki. Hey kan ho to do na nine cookies min siam saka. Thank you mom.
You're welcome.
Usanga and our favorite.
Yes. and
John hey beef jerky po. Hey kapudina hon tur ta hi tam ta politin khatnya ta han Oreo te min hon tir do na cookies min siam sak poka beef jerky. Ta John hey lal zawa is it enchiladas?
Yeah, enchiladas.
Oh, Mexican food vel kanun na siam sa. Heta pasta. That's our favorite clear ni hey. Kay to beef brisket vel ha kay ka hondo na.
Yeah, that's beef brisket.
Yeah. Hey, what's that?
Potato salad.
Potato salad le pasta salad. Yeah.
Pasta salad.
Na special here kan hondo ni hey. Hey, tweet up. This one is chocolate chips and oatmeal, right?
Right, and peanut butter
Yeah,
chips.
peanut butter chips.
Your hands are cold.
We're
buddy.
going
Have a
home.
good day. See you tonight. I will. Yeah.
Enjoy your walk, mom.
I will. Thank you.
Hey, kan kal to do na.
Hey,
Ready to go?
almost.
Evel kan hon na sal to. What's that?
I think I may put.
Is that my chicken?
Yeah.
Oh.
May put this on the. Oh, keep moving.
Ka vlog hero in mix no aya ka cham chung khan video ka lo la vak lawa ka da khom ta vek rungot me mun khata han thlir da min lo thiam sak don nya chuanin kan video te min lo thlir sak thina comments te like te min lo pek sak thina wangin in zawai chunga kan loma lalpana le tam takin mal som chaw ro se next vlog a kai mule vek don nya in va in bye bye vekule